guys, what's up? So, anyway, there's this app that's called Rubby Bird. And I'm sure all of you heard it from Smosh, how Anthony was playing it. So, I guess the people say thanks to Ian and Anthony for putting Rubby Bird on the App Store. And you all thought Rubby Bird wasn't real. Well, take a look. There's Rubby Bird from Smosh. So as you can see, you just basically just start rubbing the bird. And then you
rub the bird.
Alright, let's do this again.
Rubby bird. Rub the bird.
You basically have to rub the bird.
Good job. Keep rubbing the bird.
Alright, we're going to do this. So basically, this is Rubby Bird, like I said, from Smosh. I can't believe it, but I thought Rubby Bird was fake, but I guess they turned into an app.
Rubby bird.
So, let's do this.
Rub the bird. Good job. Keep rubbing the bird. Keep it up. Rub it up. Rub it up. Good job. Keep rubbing the bird.
So we're going to stop here. But
Rub the bird.
anyway, yeah, this is Rubby Bird. So if you guys want to try this app out, go on to Amazon or Google Play if it's on Google Play. I got this off of Amazon on my Kindle tablet. So just try Rubby Bird out. I guess I could, to be honest, I really give this app maybe 3 stars because, I mean, what's so fun about rubbing a bird? It almost sounds kind of wrong, like Rubby Bird, like just rubbing the bird.
Hey, open up your window and let
Hello.
the stank out.
You're on video vlog.
Oh, that's great. Now, will you please open up your window and get some fresh air in this room?
It does not stink in here.
Yes, it does. It smells like bad breath. Open the window.
Okay, but first say hi to the viewers.
I did. Hi.
Okay. That was my crazy mom. Anyway, I can do this with one arm. Holy crap. Well, I gotta put this down for a second, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's how far I can get it. But yeah, anyway, anyway, go get Rubby Bird on the App Store, but, I don't think it's not that great of an app, but anyway, like this video, and subscribe to me on YouTube, so, sign off.